Let's go, boss up, baby. Reporting live from Vegas. And we in this thing, but no, I gotta get you guys the sauce. Still helping everybody find jobs in their area. So today I'm providing a medical courier company, not one but two national medical courier companies that you can start driving with your small vehicle, cargo van, box truck, whatever you got to get rolling. They're accepting them and they are in majority of all the states. So hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. Yes, sir. Ski, we out here in Vegas. We getting lit. We learning a little bit about the area. We're linking up with people, and we're providing the sauce to get you guys bossed up. All right. So without further ado, you know how we do. We're gonna go over, hop on over to the screen and show you the website, show you how to apply, show you how you get signed up, and maybe see how much these people are playing. All right, let's go. All right, so now we are in the laptop. Let's check this out. We got first Red Fox Medical Couriers. Welcome to Red Fox Medical Couriers. Of course, we're going to show you guys all the wonderful locations that they are. Of course, they are part of the Florida Messenger Association and the Customized Logistics Delivery Association. Remember, I showed you guys in a previous video joining these associations or just going to these association websites can find you different couriers in your area. So they have different things segmented by state or city. This one's for Florida, so this one will be only for Florida. But this one, the CLDA, will have all of the states and all of the courier and carrier companies that are part of this. So you can find people to partner with and work for by going through this website, CLDA, this Google Customized Logistics and Delivery Association, or look at some of the previous videos I've done about that. All right. But yeah, so our services. See what they do, dedicated route. They got the app-based in-home, dropping stuff off to your doorstep. And they are hiring. So they got drivers, and you can see all the state driver location. Come here, send this out. And even though they are based in Tampa, Florida, we service 43 out of the 48 major, states. You're not in Cali. Sorry, Cali. This is not for you, but I got another one. Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, and West Virginia. Like I said, I don't think I have anybody message me. Definitely leave a comment what city and state you're in so I can find stuff for your area. But I don't think I ever had any Nebraska, South Dakota, or North Dakota, or West Virginia people comment. Definitely have Cali. Shout out to my boy Lil Petty out there in Cali, North Cal, a couple other people out there in Cali. Shout out to you guys getting to the money, bossing up as usual. But you can see all the states. So this is a national company, even though they're based out of Florida. So the bulk of their work probably will be in Florida, but a lot of their work will be all over. So you come here, you can email them, or you can just fill out this form, and I will call and send them an email after I fill that part out, just to see if they got my resume, just see if you can contact somebody and see, exactly what they're hiring, what states, or you can get in contact with the hiring manager in your state or area to get rolling a lot faster. So let's go to about, get some more information about this company, see how long they've been around. Red Fox Medical Courier, HIPAA compliant, pharmaceuticals. Looks like a pretty credible company. Of course, we can always come to Glassdoor, specifically for hiring process. They let you know about the good, the bad of this company's. We can see some salaries, and I could have sworn I was signed up for this. Oh my God, Jesus Christ! Okay, here we go. Fox Medical Center salaries. About these guys, I don't know. I don't like that. Let's go on to the next company. We got Stat Courier, Stat Courier. Let's see, Courier Services, on demand, same day medical courier work to labs, the businesses, the libraries. They do more than just medical courier, but the boatload of their business is medical courier work. They are based out of St. Louis, Missouri, but they operate in a lot of states. Let's see where all they service. And if I can find it, I saw it. There we go. So they are in 95% of these states. They're not in Mississippi, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, or North Dakota, New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut. But they're in Cali. So here are my Cali people. Here we go. We got your people out here. And yeah, they're rolling, man. So check them out if you want to get started driving with them. Fill out this contact form and say you are a driver. And then after I do that, I will call or email this phone number, try to speak with somebody and see if you can get on. You feel me? All right. So yeah. That is the the two medical courier companies I was bringing you guys today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're still here. I want to invite you guys out to my free Facebook group, link down in the description. Go ahead and join my free Facebook group community of people sharing gig apps, their experiences, different courier companies, different courier groups. And if you're interested in building business credit and getting your own cargo van or box truck or vehicle in your business name, or looking for ways to get more business in your area, booking consultation, creditk.com, creditkae.com, link down in the description as well if you can't find that, or just message me on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok at Credit K. And if it's a simple question, I'll answer it. If it's a long-winded question, something more detailed, you're going to have to book that consultation. All right? All right. Later on, man. Till next time. We still in Vegas. I'm about to go out here, watch this Eagles and Chiefs game tonight, and we gonna boss up, continue to build. Let's go.